Before, I was scared, I was skeptical, I didn't know what this business was all about. All I knew is that I was tired of working long hours. I was tired of leaving my son home alone every single weekend. I was tired of missing dinners. I was tired of saying no to him. So to make my long story short, I started my business. I started without any experience, without technical background at all, and scared. I did not even know where to get the money to start my business. But all I knew as well is that I was ready for a change. So, guys, this business has done so much for me. I was able to walk away from my full-time job. I still work, but way less hours. No more work on the weekend. And of course, lots of time for my family. Family dinner is now possible. Oh my God, even my son is helping me sometimes to cook. So it's amazing. It was just like, it was not possible before, but now it's here, right? And I'm present for his games, for his activities, which is amazing. And not only that, of course, it helped me with my finances as well. I was able to pay my whole year of my car insurance, and of course my car loan as well for this year. And 2.5 years in the business, I was able to hit my first 5 figures month, which I never saw before. Yeah, and guys, not only that, you know what this business has gives me as well? It helps me shift my mindset. I feel like I'm growing every single day. You know, my perspective has changed, and it helps me to help. It helped me as well to grow and help a lot of people, not only my business partners, and that is really fulfilling, you know. And so I would say this: do yourself a favor, keep an open mind. And if you want more time for your family, if you want to work on your own terms, if you want to, like, you know, go on vacation without asking permission from your boss, guys, this business will allow you to do that. It has allowed us to do that. And of course, it is available for you as well. So, like, do yourself a favor. Don't be scared, because yes, we are 100% legitimate, and we are here to help you and guide you as well.